Hello guys, welcome to Alltech. Today we are going to set up Ionic in Ubuntu. For that there are some basic requirements, Node and npm. I have already installed Node and npm in my system. Let's check the version of npm. It's 6.14.6 and Node version is 10.22.1. For install Ionic in Ubuntu, we have to fire one command sudo npm install -g ionic. We have to give a password for root. It will take some time. Ionic is installed. Now we have to install Cordova in our system. For that we have to fire one command is sudo npm install -g Cordova. It also takes some time. Cordova is installed. Now for create a blank Ionic project, we have to fire this command Ionic start to do blank --type Ionic 1. To do is name of our project. Now Ionic project is created. Let's check the project folder. To do is our project. Let's move to the project folder. Now we are in the project folder. We have to add Android folder platform in our project. So for that fire the command Ionic Cordova platform add Android. Platform is added successfully. You can open your project in any WebStorm or any Eclipse editor. So you can see the platform like this in platform folder in your project. Now we created the project successfully. Thank you.